Yeah, we're heading to a cave. She is still alive. We should be almost to the cave. You know, we should have grabbed a backpack for all this stuff.
Don't got me.
Could use little Missy's for the time being.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Record another
What do
video.
you think of everything at the last minute? Yeah, did you hear me?
Yeah. There's a bench.
I said,
Go ahead. Because I'll probably get sit down for a little bit too. Probably spiders all around here. Alright, resuming. We had to stop and sit for a minute. So the actual cave is going to be on a trail going to the left. I wouldn't mind seeing it because it's probably the only one. Do not enter? Why does that say do not enter? What is that? Oh, let's see. I have a feeling. Oh, wait, nope. The cave should be down here. There's an arrow pointing.
I don't know why they have the thing on enter right there. And people said, no, not to enter right there. There's a bunch of bushes.
Yeah. True. It'd be kind of cool to see the cave, hopefully. That we're able to actually see it.
I should have got a hair tie.
Probably. At least a ball cap. Okay. I have a feeling that we either passed the cave or they blocked off the cave area. But then it would actually point to where the cave is at. And I think that arrow is pointing us to it. There we go. I'm really hoping that I get to see the cave. I didn't want to have to take the cave trail and completely miss it. Wait a minute. I'm wondering if that it's either the gold mine that has the doorway entrance or it's the cave that has the entrance. Nonetheless, we should be almost there. What's this sign say? Oh, it says cave trail. Okay. I feel like we passed it or something. I don't know. There's a rock over here, but I think that's just a rock. I'll get up closer to it. Yeah. Oh no, it's wood. Okay. I think the spring house is I don't know. I think it's an old house. But I'm not 100% sure. Have you seen that before?
What?
The spring house. You said you toured the whole thing, so I'm assuming you went to the spring house as well?
Like I said, honey, it's been a while. I don't remember
Okay.
why I wanted to feed it.
Okay. That'll be the last thing we see before we leave. Should be coming up. Hopefully. I think the gold mine is the thing with the doorway. I want to say that, but I'm not 100% sure. There's a sign on it too. But what I've seen in the pictures anyway. You hear that? Sounds like, I think it's birds, ain't it? Oh. I didn't know the lake was right here. Oh yeah, we followed the lake. I put the map inside the sweatshirt pretty good. What? Yeah, that's true. Hoping that the fucking caves come up soon. Oh yeah. Look at that's right there. Which means more bugs. But that's the lake that, I mean, you could swim in that probably, but I don't recommend it. There's a bench right here. Right there. I'm wondering if the cave ain't over here then. Unless we absolutely just freaking passed it. Here, I'm gonna let you sit down. I'm gonna kind of go ahead and see. Yeah. I have a feeling we did go past it, but hey, look at that.
No, we're still on the cave now.
Hold on.
The sign says that.
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking at something quick. Kind of look over here. Do I want to come this way? Ah, look. Ah, okay. More water. Sweet. But okay. Yeah, it's just I don't know where at. Because the cave, I think, is in the halfway point. Can I have you hold this? Please.
Okay, Mr. Leaf Man. Your sleeve stuck to you.
Really? Oh. Okay. It's starting to feel weird because my shirt's wet and it's making my shirt stick to me. Okay. Off to the caves. Birds. What? Oh wait, I think it's up there. Might be. How far, man? Hey, the sun's coming back out. Unless you like sitting in the leaves, and yeah.
Okay.
Let's keep going. There should be another one up here somewhere.
Get the fuck out of my hair, you stupid fuck.
Huh? What?
I was talking to myself.
Oh.
Quit butting me.
Okay.
Good God. Get your fucking ears
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm up here. Looks like another partial pathway for something. Oh, here's... What? Where are them caves at? Oh, cave trail. What? There we go. The cave's up this way. Yes. That's the way to leave. To keep going on the regular trail. Okay, let's go.
It's like it went in a damn circle.
Almost seems like that, don't it? I don't know if you can enter the caves, but... Oh, I get what he was talking about. It's because the bushes are really close.
Why? It's all blurred out.
Yeah, true. Oh, hey. Kind of steppities. You might want some help climbing up that one. Never mind. It's darker up here. Ooh. Oh, geez. I think this is it right here. That big rock. Almost to the cave area. Not sure it has a hole in it because I ripped out the tank. Yep, here's a sign that says cave. I'm not so sure if we walk up that way or if we keep going this way. Oh, you keep going this way. Okay. Well, walk this way. Okay. Just making sure you weren't gonna slip. Oh my god. Okay, sweet. Let's wear it that way. Let's go this way first. Ouch. Huh? Does this go? What?
Getting lightheaded.
I'm gonna go on alone to see if I can't find these caves. Never mind, I'll wait for you. I will wait. But we have to keep going because it's gonna take long, and I don't want this storm catching up either.
First you're saying it wasn't going to take long. Now you're saying it's going to take.
It seems like it's taking longer. I have a feeling we have to go that way. I don't know either.
We could carry that for a little bit.
Yeah. Yes, I know. Okay, well. When we get to these caves, I don't know where the fuck is that. I have a feeling. Okay.
Oh.
Huh?
Look at the tree.
That says cave trail.
Yeah, it says keep going that way.
That's if you want to get back to the trail. I'm assuming. But we can look.
I don't know. It says follow the markers.
Yeah, but to get to the cave, I'm assuming you have to go up, but we're going to look. It's kind of steep going back down, but... Oh, wait. I think I might have found it. Watch out. It's a little steep there. There it is. I found the entrance. Okay. Oh my. Are you gonna want to go up in there?
It's the only way out.
No. Look. There's a trail that way too.
If you want to go in it, you can.
Alrighty. Mateys. I'm not 100% like on this part, but this might be it. Let's just see. It's kind of cool. I don't think this is the actual cave, hon. But yeah, I don't know. We keep looking. Okay, let's go. Bye, you're rolling.
I wasn't. I was tilting so I could get off my foot.
Oh, there is more area up this way. I'm wondering now. That looks like an entrance to one. It just... Huh? Because we keep going up and around. There's another one. Oh, here it is. I found the actual cave. The other one was a sub cave. Okay, watch out, hon. There's a tree right here.
Like I said, the trail is built inside the cave.
Want some help? We might want to hurry though. Ooh. Really? Okay, let's go. White noise syndrome. Bats are in here.
Oh, I'm not going in it then.
No, but we're gonna have to. Come on. Actually, let's you out here and I go ahead a little bit. Here then. I don't want to drop this stuff. Alright. The actual cave entrance is right here. I'm hoping there's no bats in here. I don't know. Do I try it? Fuck, it's really small. Well, don't be in a chicken now. Hey, why don't you come over here? Please. Just come up this way. All you have to do is sit on this rock. Hon, it's better if you sit down here.
I was just reading signs.
Okay. I don't know if you could enter the cave, though. Oh, look at that. You have to crawl in that. Okay, here, lay out the thing. I want to see if we can just enter. I wanted Bobby to come out.
That's why I was reading the sign.
Because then if you weren't going to go, he was going to go.
You go?
Yeah. Okay, well, I don't know if people entered the cave or not, but I guess we'll find out. Oh, I didn't even record the cave. Hold on.
I thought you did.
No. Alright, I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm just gonna like spider. I'm disturbing something in here probably. Was that you? Yeah. Okay. There's the cave. I'm not gonna go in it all the way. Just to show you what it looks like. It's dark in there, so. Alright. It's supposed to be a storm tonight, so let's see if we can't quickly. Woo!
Right here. The cave is closed to human entry each year from October 1st to May 15th, regardless of outside temperatures, because of their hibernation period. Yeah, that's their hibernation.
Yeah, I don't want to enter right now. But And especially the white noise syndrome, or white nose syndrome. I don't know about that, but is this a way to go? Keep going? Yeah. Okay, come on.
You can tell someone broke this one.
Yeah. So that's the actual cave. I don't trust going.
Nose. They're referring to their nose.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna go up ahead because this is a steep one. I don't even think you're supposed to come up here, but oh, yeah. Because it keeps going? Yeah, it does. Okay. Hold on to something.
You can turn off your flashlight now.
Oh.
You bladed me in the face.
I'm sorry. I didn't know why. I was looking at it, but yeah, a little tiny area there. Yeah, it does keep going. Alright, watch out though. Actually, no, it don't. But this is cave trail, so I'm wondering. You don't have to come up, I don't think. I'm just gonna look to see if it keeps going. It does. Over there too. Come on. Ooh. That would be a very bad fall. Okay.
God, I hear kids screaming.
I don't think, huh? Oh. I wonder if there's another cave here. Unless that was it. Okay. Okay. Where does this go? I don't know if I want to keep going this way because we're going off the trail. We need to hurry up though. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna keep going for a second. There's a big drop off right here. You want to turn back around? Okay, because then we could go to the spring house and stuff. I mean, it looks like we're supposed to go down, but... Ooh, fuck. These are ferns. When we have more time, we'll want to take Bobby, but it's like $20 per car, so... Well, 38 for two, but... I don't want to kill what little time because there's supposed to be a mine we can go into. Because it's off the main trail. I'll be behind you so that you don't fall. my footing is like on point to where you can do that. I'm gonna walk down on our own. We need to get out of this spot though. I'll let you go first. Okay, I think we are good. We're good to go back and then hop back on the main trail, which is fine. It'll take us back there. Bye bye, cave. I'll see you later. Huh? They got you stopped because if you would have misstepped, you would have been going down. Alright. As long as we don't get caught in a storm, we're fine. Oh, shit. But yeah, it says you can enter. It's just I don't want to go in there alone. You never know what's up in them caves. Giant freaking spiders and whatever. Okay. See, I thought... No, that wasn't it. Actually... Yeah, I thought that was the cave.
No, you thought the... Yeah, that one. That is. This is the name of it one.
I keep going. No. All right. This takes so long. Okay. Well, I don't want to keep taking a trail that probably leads to nowhere. There's probably another cave down that way, but... Here. I'll go ahead. So that you can travel at your own pace, honey. There's another that way, but... I don't know. Do you want to go that way or no? Okay. Let's go then. It's a lot easier going down than up. We're almost done. I got to see what I got to see for there.
Yeah, you said that about an hour ago.
And now it says the cave is up that way, but I think the actual entrance to the cave wasn't that. I think it was just one that you can just go in and see all the bats. There's people up there though.
That's the upper trails. That's the upper trails and the parking lots and stuff. That's why.
Oh. All right. I will see you all at the gold mines.